Hey, this is the BOSCH DDB181 18-volt compact drill driver. It's the lightest and most compact 18-volt half-inch drill driver on the market, and it's a great value. The DDB181 is so compact, it's optimized to get into those tight and hard-to-reach places. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during daily use so you can work longer. With 350 inch-pounds of torque and 1300 RPM, you'll be able to fasten with power and drill with speed. The half-inch auto-lock chuck works for a broad range of applications, and the built-in LED helps eliminate those dark workspaces. With the BOSCH flexible power system, the DDB181 works with any BOSCH 18-volt lithium-ion battery on the market. Electricians, plumbers, installers, and HVAC contractors will love this thing. Whether you're driving into metal or wood, this drill can handle these light-duty applications easily. So, if you're looking for something ultra compact with good power that's also a good value, this guy is the perfect tool for the job. Thanks again for watching the DDB181 18-volt compact drill driver. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of BOSCH 18-volt cordless power tools.